Today in this video, we are going to look at how to add numbers in base 2. Remember, to calculate in different bases, we first need to change our calculator to base mode. So, we press mode repeatedly until we reach a base. By default, the calculator is in decimal base, which is base 10. We need to change it to base 2, also called the binary base. This option is found on the button that also has the log, A with a binner written in blue. After pressing it, every digit we enter on the screen must be in base 2. Otherwise, we will get an error. Now, our task here is to add 1011 base 2 plus 1101 base 2. It is very easy, as you are going to see. So, let's enter our numbers. 1011 plus 1101. After adding, our answer is 11000 base 2. Should we try another one? Let's look at subtraction in base 2. Suppose we have 1111 minus 101. The answer is 1010 base 2. This same method applies to any base available on the calculator. For instance, in base 8, also called the octal base. To do this, first change the calculator to base 8. It will display a 0 at this part of the screen to confirm. Now, in base 8, let's calculate 56 plus 24. Enter 56 plus 24. The answer is 102 base 8. That's it. You can also try this with other base types, and you will get the correct results. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.